You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your left.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Miriam C, and today we're back with another video, and this video is in collaboration with LuvMe Hair. LuvMe sent me this beautiful wig, y'all. Like, do y'all see the body? The body, yes. This isn't a frontal. This isn't a frontal. Like, this is not a frontal, you guys. This is a 4x4 closure lace unit wig. This is not a frontal. Y'all, let's retire the frontals and just, this is the new move. What? Honestly, they're so much more easier to work with. They don't have that much maintenance to them because, of course, the lace is up to here. So yes, I love this unit. Like, this unit is definitely an everyday. It's giving that classy grown woman vibe, very mature. Like, I'm definitely feeling this wig. You know, it's an all-purpose. Every girl needs a medium length wig, okay? Not everything gotta be long to your thong. Like, you can rock these short and classy styles time to time. You guys are gonna see the unboxing and me installing this wig. So yeah, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drop a new upload. So yeah, go ahead and hit that notification bell for me too. And without further ado,
hey guys, so just a quick unboxing. Your unit comes with a goodie bag that is provided with bobby pins so you can keep your hair intact. It comes with an edge brush to keep those baby hairs fleeky, a cheetah print scarf, a LuvMe clip, and lastly, some tweezers. They also provide you with a wig cap for you to apply your unit flawlessly. And they also provide you with a brochure on how to take care of your unit after it is installed. So this is the unit fresh out of the box. And to me, the knots were pretty visible. So I went ahead and took that extra step of bleaching the knots just so that lace could be more transparent and realistic. Now, as you guys can see, this hair is beautiful and luscious. As you can see me glide my fingers down the strands. Look at how voluminous this looks, guys. So this wig comes with an elastic band already pre-attached, and it also comes with 4 inner combs that you can attach to your hair if you choose to wear it gluelessly. This unit is in the color of 1B. It is 150% density and is in the length of 18 inches. So as stated previously, I went ahead and pre-bleached the knots to give a more natural look. And I also wanted to add that you guys should already adjust your elastic bands to your head shape. That way it fits comfortably. And as you see here, I also use my own foundation shade to tint the lace. So everything else that you guys see in this video will be self-explanatory. So just enjoy the video and keep on watching.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the nighttime get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Oh my goodness, this hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous.